You guys want to tell what we're doing?
This pile of snakes. I'm guiding Alexuna to touch it at the ends. Yeah, don't put your finger in your mouth once you do it. That was a nighttime one.
We did some parachutes.
Can you light this now?
Yep.
Can I light it?
No, I'll do it. Watch this fancy maneuver.
Don't let your camera catch on fire. Oh, it has a case.
This is a lot of snakes to light.
We got them all piled up. And I'll block it from the air. So I feel the... Oh.
Okay. That's a big pile of flaming snakes, huh, Alex?
It's like, it's 2, 3... It's a 5-headed snake.
Well, don't get your head in the smoke, Alex. Yuck.
It's a 6-headed snake. Alex, get over here. It's not going to be in... Oh my god!
That's huge.
That's bigger than mine. It's probably because of all of those I connected to make it stronger.
Stay back and don't put your head in the pile. It's almost done. It looks like it's flying.
That was enormous.
No, oh, it's still going. I see a little fire.
Yep.
Sometimes if you blow it with fire first again, stop, Alex.
That is one strange looking thing.
That's the belly!
They already found it.
We piled them all together. These ones kind of look like Roxy's poop, doesn't it?
It's so cool.
Yeah, Ellie put hers in. We'll have to. Let's go in and wash our hands when you're done, okay?
Yeah.
Let's show me your fingers. Ew, gross.
Touch it. I'm thinking, are there any more things we could do?
We'll have to look.
Like, can we do one of those like popping things, one each?
How about when Daddy comes out?
Okay.
I think he likes those.
Okay, I should probably watch. Let me see yours. Not as gross as Abrams. He had his whole hand.
Ew.
This is what he did. He just crushed them. Right. I'll do Daddy to come out.
Okay.
Alex, you. And what is the bowl? Can you pour?